In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from QuickBooks Online. If you're looking to ensure you have all your important financial information safely stored, or perhaps you're planning to analyze your data in another software, exporting from QuickBooks Online can be a crucial part of your workflow. So, let's dive in and break down this process step by step. First, you'll need to open up your web browser and head over to the QuickBooks website. Once you're there, log into your QuickBooks Online account using your credentials. This will bring you to the main dashboard of your QuickBooks account, where you can access and manage your finances. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. You should see a small gear icon that represents the settings. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will open up a menu with a variety of options available to you. Among those options, you'll find one labeled Export Data. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a new interface dedicated to exporting your data. Here, in this Export Data section, you'll see all the different types of data you can export from your QuickBooks account. QuickBooks provides a range of choices, so take a moment to explore what you can export. This might include reports on payroll, sales transactions, invoices, and much more, depending on what you've used your account for. If you have specific data sets you need, you'll notice there's also a section specifically for exporting from lists. Perhaps you need your customer lists, vendor lists, or other master lists you've curated while using QuickBooks. This can be especially useful if you're looking to transition to a new system or just want a backup of your core data sets. For each data type you wish to export, you'll see toggle buttons beside them. If you find a data set you want to export, just go ahead and enable that button. This is very much like flipping a switch to say, yes, this is what I need. Take your time to enable all the sections relevant to you. A tip here would be to make sure you only select what you truly need, especially if you're planning to import this data elsewhere, as too much information can become overwhelming. Once you've made your selections and you're confident with your choices, there's only one step left to complete the process. Look for the button typically located at the bottom or top right of the section that says Export. Give it a click, and QuickBooks Online will process your request, and there you have it. Your selected data will now be exported from QuickBooks Online, ready for you to download and use as you see fit. This is a fantastic way to maintain control over your financial records, whether you're doing so for reporting, analysis, or archival purposes. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out in the comments below.